Hey guys, we saw this comment. They wanted us to do a burping competition since they saw what I did. And we've each got our own soda. So.
And then you guys are going to be the judge and tell us who wins. Who has the loudest burp or
The best.
whatever you guys think. It's all up to you guys.
The funniest or loudest. Okay, rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Here, I gotta tell you one thing first. Do you want to build a snowman?
We have to restart the video now.
No, we don't.
Okay.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first.
Okay, whatever you do, don't blow it in my face either.
We'll see.
Please.
So you're gonna drink as much as you can.
Chug it until failure. And he's got Sprite too, guys.
Well, that sucked. Oh.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Your turn.
I got Coca-Cola. How'd you chug all of that?
Ooh. Your turn.
Ew!
Owen.
Carbonation though.
It's all in your head.
Hey!
Come on, you got more to go.
I know, yours is gone and you had as much as me. He had more than me.
Well, welcome back to the I can't do the thing. Is your stomach okay?
Yeah.
You gonna keep going?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to finish it.
Alright, hurry up.
Oh, that felt good.
Trying to stir it up. It ain't working. Here, you want me to show you how it's done?
No! You already drink yours. Hi guys. I'm trying to finish this. My ears hurt. This ear hurts for some reason.
You want me to try?
No. Knowing you, I'll throw up.
Jeez.
Do you want to fill this nightmare? Oh, that was a big boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on! Trying to punch my abs, guys.
You gotta chug it faster. Yeah, not cough. Come on.
I am trying!
Well, you're gonna lose. Here we go.
Here we go. It tasted like a strawberry starburst. The one I was eating earlier.
Yeah.
With a mix of cinnamon and lime.
Alright, so if you guys want to vote, go ahead.
I'm not done. I think that was it on that sip.
I think you are done.
I'm a little kid, okay?
Yeah?
It's harder for me. Little kids can't chug.
Well, you want to be done then?
No. Ew. Oh. Oh. This is terrible.
That was a good one. Yeah, let's be done so you're not hurting your stomach more.
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe.
To look skateboards.
And don't forget to give us the ratings and on who won.
Yeah. Peace.
See you next time.
Bye.